Good everybody, today the topic for the day is going to be the service of red wine and white wine. So basically this topic was our part of our task number 6, 7 and 8 we're going to learn today. The first we start with the white wines service and then we move forward to the black spirit, that is your whiskey, whiskey, rum and your brandies. So first of all, what are the things that you need to serve a white wine? We've already seen this thing, but I'd like to take one more recap. Yes, the first most essential thing is going to be your salver. Yes, once again, now you might be asking that, sir, why there is no mat? There is no mat because if you put a glass here, it will just move like this. That's why there is no mat. Next, obviously, this is the most essential thing. Take a look at this. This is your wine opener, okay? And this is your wine cutter. So we'll also take a look how a wine cork is open and how a wine service done from a corked bottle, but not right now. This is our white wine glass. We have already seen and we know the fact why that tall stem is there, because of that the heat and the temperature should not transfer to the glass and the wine remain chilled, because we all know that the white wine is served within 7 to 10 degrees Celsius, right? Okay. And finally we've got this another essential thing which is known as a coaster, paper coaster. Followed by, we also need a serviette. There is a very interesting question should come in your mind that, sir, you are wearing gloves in your hand, then why do you need a serviette? That's the right question. See, understand one thing, no wine in the world served with wearing glass. But I am showing all this thing to you, that's why I am wearing this gloves. Otherwise, there is no need of wearing a gloves, because already there is a serviette and you have to serve the wine with a serviette. Because if you don't serve the wine with a serviette and you wear the gloves and serviette both together, then you know what will happen? The wine bottle will slip on your hand and obviously it will create a big mishap. Right, okay? So that's how it is and we will start the show now. Okay? So first of all, I have to serve the guest with a wine glass. So let's assume that the guest is already arrived at the restaurant and this is our well-laid table. You can take a look. So I assume that the guest is already here and he's sitting on this area. Okay. So now I am approaching towards the guest. Yes, I obviously need a gloves at this point of time. So let's take an example. Guest arrived. Put your right leg forward and drag the chair. And once the guest seated, you can put the chair forward, but never ever drag this chair. It's completely illegal. I mean, not ethical service actually. So that's why it has to be like this and then put back. Okay, basic concept that we have learned in the first years, right? Okay, so guest is here. Now guest is seated. I will come to the guest and I'll say that, good afternoon ma'am, would you like to order for some glass of white wine? He says that yes, I would prefer a glass of Sula white wine. So remember one thing, the order is a glass of Sula white wine. I'll place this napkin, and since she's a ma'am, I will never place the napkin on her lap. This is once again unethical service. So you can put the napkin like this. If there is a guest, she will pick up automatically this napkin and she will put it in her lap only. So just keep it like this. So let's assume that the guest has already been put this napkin over here. Okay. There is no guest here. Rule of service, I will take this cover off. I will not, because it shows that there is no guest, only one guest is sitting. But we will not take away the chair, don't worry. So first is serving of wine. One glass. Okay, this is my salver. I'll take the wine glass and then I'll take this my hotel name is IHM Gwalior. So this is my coaster and then I will place it right hand side of the guest, and obviously once again right leg forward, take a look, and my salver should not be on the head of the guest, it should be like this. So I place my coaster and then I will put my wine glass. All this thing will be happening with the help of a gloves, right? I'll move back. Now we need to remove the gloves now, because now is the time that we need to start with the wine service. So now I will take my serviette and place the wine just like this, and then you can take a look how does it look like. So I'll go once again, right leg forward and then show it to the guest something like this. Would you like to prefer a glass of Sula Chenin Blanc, that's a white wine? So if she says that yes, it's okay to go, then what we will do, I will reverse my hand again. Take a look, I was holding like this and now I have to serve the guest. So I'll reverse my hand like this. Now here needs a practice. I have to hold it from here. Okay, and once I hold it properly here, then I will open the wine cork. It's not a cork, basically a plastic cap. It's very, very essential. Now, while I'm going to serve the wine to the guest, it's very essential that you need to show this brand towards the guest. Because she should know, or he should know, that whatever she has ordered, the same wine is serving to you. So I will go here, once again, right leg forward, brand towards the guest, and I am going to serve this wine now. So first is a 10 ml for approval. So I'll give a slight 10 ml here. And once I 10 ml see, I can turn this bottle and I can come back. Okay. So the guest will say, swill the wine, something like this. And then once she says that, okay, this wine is good to go, so we'll finish off this wine. And the guest says that yes, it's absolutely fine, you can go ahead. So now I'll serve, this is a 750 ml bottle, you can take a look, the 750 ml bottle. And in the 750 ml bottle, you will only serve one glass of wine, which is 150 ml. So one wine bottle, you will have 5 glasses, alright? Right leg forward, go down, put your hand here, and then serve it holding like this, and then you serve the white wine. Suppose this is my 150 ml, and now I will turn this bottle. This is very, very interesting thing. Now please understand one thing while I am serving. Now let's do a demo here. So before we go to the table, how I am turning this bottle. Take a look at this. And then when I see that the glass is over, I will stop the bottle, and then I will turn it. Once again, take a look. Serve, and once the glass is full, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop it. Ye stop ho gaya, and now we will turn this bottle. What is happening, if there is any water droplets here, it will never fall on the table, but it will absorb in this neck of the bottle. This is the reason this thing is being turned. So you need to do down, serve the wine, and while you're taking back, you turn the bottle like this. This is the way the white wine has to be served. Since the guest has ordered for only one glass, you will just keep this glass here and you will say to the guest, ma'am, enjoy your wine. Thank you very much.